What's good, everybody? This is WolfgangPeak, and you are now watching Wolfgang Lifestyle. This is just like breadcrumbs, you know?
We gonna go left. This shit look like a more rigorous motherfucker.
Yeah. For those just tuning in, if we just so happen to see a wolf, it's every man for themselves.
Hey.
Yeah, let you. And niggas fail land nab, so we just gonna wing it. Let's see. We'll see if we get back. Hey, look. For those that don't know, where the fuck is we at? What's this called? Chattahoochee River, Whitewater, White Creek, something trail. I put it in the description of some shit, but I forgot what it's called.
Putting this up on YouTube?
Of course. Shit is bussin'.
Right.
Said it's bussin'. Reconnect with nature, you feel me? Look at that. Look at that, ducks and shit. Let me show y'all the ducks. Y'all some damn ducks. I got ducks in my apartment too, but these ducks in their natural habitat. You know what I'm saying? This is the closest I'm gonna get, cause you know niggas like me can't swim.
You can't swim.
Sure enough, can't.
You going to damn Whitewater rock?
But they gonna give me a vest. Fuck. Man, listen. Don't wish that upon me. Wish that upon me. Only nigga you know do a hike, eating a salad, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? I told y'all shit, this is a fucking lifestyle. I don't be bullshitting with y'all. My nigga Rell in the camera. Follow my good brother on the Instagrams. On the Instagrams.
But we ain't gonna speak on that right now.
This nigga.
Add it in the description.
I put it in the description. It's peaceful as hell, ain't it? You got one time to see some shit that look like it ain't supposed to be out here. Like, nigga, is that a rhino in Atlanta? Tell you all they gonna see in the cameras. That shit looks disgusting. That shit nasty as hell. Alright, let me finish my damn salad. I don't know about you, that just got intense. I'm gonna have to put my salad down. Damn, I need both hands for this. Make sure we know how to get the fuck back.
Whatever path I see.
Listen, we're walking for days. All right, now we at EP7. So we go right. Eventually we get to the top. 26, 18. One of them bitches is the top. We're going right. We're going right. I don't want to get that old nigga for that. That nigga just built bad. That nigga was built horribly.
Busting my knee down.
Yo, what? That's because you got the stock. That's because you got the stock exchange butters on, man. You got the PX butters on. Guessing we still going right. We making good progress. We went from 7 to 8. All right, we're going up to the 10 out. I ain't seen no endangered species except us.
I know he on the way down. Right?
Hell nah, nigga, we still got ways to go up. Well, I don't know, look like we up.
Yeah, the peak down, huh? The sun.
The sun.
You are here.
Damn, we got here quick, nigga. We was just here. Nigga, I just stopped. Nigga, we here.
Hit the right. Go straight.
Nigga, this is a circle. It don't matter. We're gonna end up here anyway. Go to the water, nigga. Nigga, it don't really fucking matter.
Not at all. Shit. Meet you there.
Hell no, nigga, that's how niggas die in the movies. You don't break the fuck up. You don't split up.
That's one thing I ain't doing.
This ain't Scooby-Doo. We'll be up out of here, nigga.
Hey, not responding.
Like, oh! That fuck around really brought some hyenas out.
Yeah, they get stupid. Who the fuck took their time to just come up and chop down trees? Yeah.
Polar bears. Nothing but bears back and dinosaurs. My nigga even put stairs here. Look at that. Hell yeah. What the fuck? This is Brogan Fox. I don't even want to say that. That might fuck around. That fuck around. Well, I better say I say that shit twice and fuck around. A genie come out this bitch. I fuck around and say that shit and the mountain collapse. Technically.
Straight left.
Look at that go. Let's get it.
My knees ain't got no more suspension in them, boy.
Slow is smooth, smooth is fast. I know y'all probably wondering, you know, how far into the woods are they? Where are they really at? Nigga, we don't even fucking know no more. We just walking. We really just walking. We got to a fork in the road. It looked like we was gonna get to the top. And we started going down, so basically, I seen Cabin in the Woods. I seen Apocalypto. We know what happened around these parts.
Not anywhere.
All right, so we still trucking. We're still trucking along.
We're gonna go up, make a left.
Bro, it don't matter. We here.
Dude.
If we here,
You gotta go up, nigga. It's the only.
that's what I'm saying.
Oh.
I'm talking about from right here. Oh, never mind. You're right.
Goofy.
Damn, ant pissed me off.
So shit.
We still trucking along. We getting here.
We going here?
Yeah, nigga. We ain't about to go back and go this way. Nah, we going here, cuz. This nigga, them bad ass ankles. That's how you know you're getting close to the top. Life start throwing all kind of unnecessary hurdles and shit. Look at that. That is ankle. This is rolled ankle. This is an ankle cemetery right here. Listen, nigga, the one wrong move and you stuck in one wrong move, you in the woods forever. You would never get up. Look at this. Hey yo, this is terrible. And then but 2 feet of lava underneath you. This shit got hectic, yo. He done came in this bitch unprepared, boy. It been your last walk in the park. Hey, the doctor wouldn't have been able to fix them ankles.
Oh, man.
He'd be like, bro, what the fuck is this?
Oh, it's a big ass turtle, so I don't know what position
Bro. I had to take an alternate route. This shit still ain't got no easier. I don't even know if we even on the beat. Oh shit! It was almost out of there for both of us. Hey yo, hey, that feet nigga is almost hydroplane.
Who's on the most stomach?
Hey yo, hey yo, I ain't slid so hard in a long time, but I sucked the fart back in my butt out. So that shit said. That's why ain't nobody go this way. That's why ain't no old. I know she ain't coming this way. You stupid as shit. You think that old lady came this way? She'd been dead in the water. We'd have found her floating in the water. Where was we previously? We was right here.
Yeah,
we was right here. The path least traveled, where we almost destroyed our ankles. We had to been coming this way. Nigga, it feel like we've been walking forever. And we here, we gonna go back through ankle destruction.
So what's this one?
We gonna get the 18.
Let's do it. Shit, I'm cool with it.
Alright, we back to here where nigga was right in the first place.
Fuck you.
We here. We going here now. You know what I'm saying? It's a self-correcting course, you know what I'm saying? Both niggas failed to land that, it's all good.
Hey, you live and you learn.
You live and you learn. That's the point of being great, you feel me? It ain't about your failures, it's about your success. We talk about it at the top. We'll talk about it at the top. Yeah, I mean, as you can see, that's it. Ain't nobody else here. Some bullshit. Nigga, we going back to the street.
We can't walk the street way, man. This shit hell.
Nigga, yeah, listen, it don't matter. We gotta get back down to here, nigga. No matter which way we go, it's gonna be a trip. Get it. We're on the way back down. We are defeated, nigga. Niggas' ankles is tired. Niggas' toes is tired. This nigga fell.
Fuck you, boy.
Nigga, I rolled my ankle. This squirrel's jumping out of nowhere. It's exhausting. You know what I'm saying? Made it to the point, wasn't nothing there. Wasn't no banners. Wasn't no people. Wasn't no celebration. Wasn't no bitches. Wasn't nothing. Wasn't no cake. Nothing but tears. Nothing but tears. But you know, don't mind the boogie. You know what I'm saying? This is what greatness is made. You feel me? I gotta keep talking my shit. Keep me from crying. You know what I'm saying? I spilled my salad. It's cool though. Like I said, this will make me the wolf. This will make me great. This will make y'all some bitches. That's why I am who I am. And you not. Well, I will get y'all. Gonna get y'all updated once we in the car. Flip flops on, shit like that. Holla at me. Oh shit. All right, so my camera had died, so I couldn't really update y'all once I got back to the car. You know, but basically all I was gonna say is, you know, today was very taxing. It was exhausting. Something different. I haven't done it before. Well, yeah, I took a hike, but not in my free time. I've never took a hike. And, you know, that was a good little trail we went through. Basically, all I was getting at is just, you know, breaking out of your comfort zone, trying new things, you know, reconnecting with nature, just making more use of your time, You know, doing things that you wouldn't normally do. You know, that's how you grow when you get uncomfortable. So that's all this was, you know, just trying to be more active, having more of a, you know, it's an active lifestyle. It's Wolfgang lifestyle. So, you know, we just out and about trying new things. You know, just stay tuned for a bunch of other shit that we're going to be doing. And, you know, that's all I really had on it. You know what I'm saying? But any questions, comments, you know, things like that, you want to email, send it to my email, hit me on IG. This is Wolfgang Lifestyle, and we out.